In today's video, we'll explore the ifconfig command in Linux and learn about 6 practical examples you can apply in your everyday Linux operations. So let's begin. First, let's get introduced to the ifconfig command. The ifconfig command is used to configure a network interface. It configures the necessary kernel-resident network interfaces at the system boot. The syntax of the ifconfig command is very simple. It contains the command itself and single or multiple options. If no argument is passed, it lists all the active interfaces on a system. Now, there are several options available. You can use the man page to learn about them. To do so, first open the Ubuntu terminal. Then type man ifconfig. Enter. If you scroll down, you will get a list of different options. Press Q to quit. The ifconfig command may not be readily available with your Linux distribution. To check, just type in your terminal ifconfig and press enter. If you get the command not found message, that means it's not installed. Don't worry, let's install the command. In the terminal, just type sudo apt install nettools. After a while, the command will be installed. With the introduction complete, let's see the examples. Let's start by displaying all networks connected to our system. We'll need the A option to get the result. To do so, in the terminal, type ifconfig and option A. Enter. You will get all the network interfaces on your system. Want to display a short list of all the active network interfaces? Use the S option instead. So type ifconfig and option S. A short list of the active interfaces will be displayed. You can also assign an IP address to an interface using the ifconfig command. You must run the command as the super user to add a new IP address to your available network device. You just have to mention the IP address after the interface. Let's give it a try. Type sudo ifconfig ens33, then the IP address 192.168.242.240. Press enter. Now type ifconfig ens33. Enter. You will find the desired IP address has been added to the ens33 network on your system. You can alter the network interface status from your terminal using the ifconfig command. We must run it as the super user to bring an interface up or down. Here, I'll show two cases. In the first case, I'll bring an interface up using the ifconfig command. To do it, type sudo ifconfig ens33 up. Press enter. Now type iplink show dev ens33. You will see the interface status has been changed to up. In the second case, I'll change the status of an interface to down using the ifconfig command. So, to bring an interface down, type sudo ifconfig ens33 down. Press enter. Again type the same iplink show dev ens33. You will see the interface status has changed to down. You can set the maximum transfer unit of an interface using the MTU option. Just type sudo ifconfig ens33 MTU 500. Enter. ifconfig ens33. Enter. You can see that I have set the MTU amount to 500 for the ens33 interface. You can enable or disable the promiscuous mode of an interface. First, let's understand what this mode is. The promiscuous mode of an interface accepts all the incoming packets in the network flow. In general, when this mode is disabled, an interface only accepts packets that are verified and belong to the interface. It drops the other packets that are not verified. So in the first case, I'll show how to enable it. To enable the promiscuous mode of an interface, just type sudo ifconfig ens33 promisc. Enter. Now type ifconfig ens33 You can see that the promiscuous mode for the interface is enabled. Now in the second case, I'll show how to disable it. To disable the promiscuous mode, you just have to type sudo ifconfig ens33-promisc. Enter. Again ifconfig ens33. Enter. You can see that the promiscuous mode for the interface ens33 is disabled. This wraps up our detailed guide of the ifconfig command with 6 practical examples. You can easily navigate the network landscape from configuring network interfaces to viewing their information. For additional insights about the ifconfig command, check out the article linked in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!